Hello, nice to meet you again, and I'm very happy to have a talk with you. Well, this surgery is about removing intraocular foreign body indeed in the posterior segment. The case was a young man who was hammering, and while hammering, a piece of metal was shooted toward his glove, and indeed the metal penetrated the cornea, the lens, and unfortunately the retina. This is one of the most complicated surgery in ophthalmology, and I will show you the surgery in three parts. The first part is about repairing the cornea. The second part is about lensectomy, lens material removal, and the third part is about removing the foreign body, the metal foreign body from the retina, and of course appropriate procedures with each step. um, you know that protecting yourself, especially during the work, is the top priority, and also I wish health and happiness for all of you. Thanks.